Hello and welcome to marketing91.com. In this video, we are going to cover the topic on creativity. Let's start with the introduction. Being unconventional and relevant is referred to as being creative. The ability to solve communication problems with the help of new, distinct and relevant ideas is called creativity. 4 rules of creativity entail: first, the product must be made appropriate for the customer. Second, it must assure the consumer. Third, it shouldn't be freestanding. And fourth, the commercial must be product-centric. Moving on, the importance of creativity in advertising. There are various reasons. First, it is a backbone while building marketing mix. That is, sales promotion, personal selling, sponsorship, public relation, and direct marketing. It makes the product stand out by shifting the consumer's feelings and attitude towards buying the product over its competitors. Third, encourages thinking by providing information. Fourth, it can test and convince. Fifth, it provides for purchasing and testing. Sixth, generates brand loyalty. Seventh, boring ads can be turned interesting with a creative touch. And finally, company objectives are attained with the help of creative ads. Moving further, the creative process. 5 steps in James Webb Young's model of creative process. First, immersion, the process of collecting data by submerging oneself in a problem and by background research. Next, digestion, contending with the collected data and working with it. Third, incubation, using your subconscious instead of conscious to solve a problem. Fourth, illumination, the realization of getting an idea, situations like Eureka, I have it. And fifth, reality or verification, analyzing an idea to see if it works and then planning its practical execution. Moving on, before Young, Graham Willis, an English sociologist, came up with a similar 4-step concept. First, preparation, that is collecting background data when problems require study and examination to be solved. Second, incubation, that is isolation to think of ideas. Third, illumination, that is revelation regarding a solution. And fourth, verification, confirming whether the idea is appropriate after rectifying and fine-tuning it. Now moving on to some examples. First, Volkswagen. Volkswagen released a 3-page guide that helped readers take a test drive. Users could install an app and try out different features. These included the lane assist mode. This mode makes the phone vibrate if it comes too near to the side of the road. Next, the ad by British Airways, Look Up campaign. British Airways in its Look Up campaign utilized a little digital magic. A billboard in London was set up to recognize planes overhead, including their flight number and origin. The fascination was that it illustrated the breadth of its flight plan in real time. This innovative campaign also motivated viewers to look up at them. Next, a campaign by Heineken. Heineken in its billboard made it look like there is a hand grabbing the bottle. This look was achieved with the help of a 3D billboard. Next, a campaign by Garnier. The optical illusion with ad caption can be translated to for any hair type. Finally, the example of P&G reinventing client and agency relationships. Marketing and advertising reinvention means the reinvention of agency partnerships. P&G's chief brand officer, Mark Pritchard, said, "Agency reinvention has saved $1 billion and is leading to more creativity, more agility, greater entrepreneurship, and transforming our organization and culture." Nearly 30% of P&G's media spending is slated in-house. Pritchard said, "We are implementing fixed and flow agency models with a fixed amount of work at a core partner that requires experienced creative, like core brand campaigns, supplemented with a flow to the work approach through flexible sourcing from smaller, more agile shops." Due to this new model, P&G's core agencies are being entirely reinvented. Moving further, for instance, it is co-located with Grey Midwest on Febreze and many additional brands. This created a borderless technique which resulted in collapsing creativity from months to hours. A fast cycle work was created on Crest and Oral-B by a co-located model with Publicis Agile Lion. An integrated group of multiple agencies was brought together because of a completely fresh model. This group, named Woven, built to work on Tide. The Secret brand has also evolved into an agency itself. It develops and produces advertisements for 1/10 of the cost. It has also reduced the time frame from 5 months to 1 month. For instance, the Secret all-strength no-sweat video was shot in P&G's Cincinnati office. P&G's home office was the location for the opening scene. The associate brand director of the brand was the producer for the ad. The brand manager was the creative director for the ad, and the songwriter was the general manager of the company. And it's winning in the market, Pritchard said about the video. So that's it, folks. This brings an end to the topic on creativity. These are some of the sources and links referred to for the content in the video. If you have liked the video, do subscribe to our channel. If you want to view these videos in an organized manner, you can visit freecourses.net, where all our videos are arranged in the form of courses. Thank you and see you in the next video.